Okay, we're going to look at two-step equations now. A two-step equation takes two operations. We've been doing one-step equations. So here's an example of a two-step equation. You're still trying to isolate the variable. So first you undo the numbers that are not directly attached to the variable. So if I look at 8d plus 10, this is not directly attached to the variable. So I'm going to get rid of that first. And then after that, you undo the numbers that are directly attached to the variable. So 8 is directly attached to d. So to solve this, first I'm going to do the opposite of plus 10. 26 minus 10 is 16. Bring down my equal sign. 10 minus 10 is 0. 8d. And now we have a one-step equation, and we all know now to divide by 8 because that says 8 times d. We're doing the opposite. The 8's cancel. D is left by itself, isolated. 16 divided by 8 is 2. How can I check my answer? Plug it back in for d. So 8 times 2 plus 10. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 10 is 26. So it does work. Why don't you try number 1 and pause the video first and then come back. You should have added 1. 16. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 4g. Divide by 4. G is isolated because the 4's cancel. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Try number 2. Pause the video. First step, we're going to subtract 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. Bring down the equal sign. The 2's cancel. 8c. Next step, you're going to divide by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Try number 3. Come back and check it. You should have subtracted 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. 2a. 20 minus 20 is 0. And the last step is to divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Alright, Lola's going to help us with number 4. Number 4, when you read that, that says x divided by 5 minus 8 equals 3. So after you get rid of the 8 by adding 8, so 3 plus 8, thank you Lola, is 11. The negative 8 and the plus 8 disappear. So now we still have x divided by 5 equals 11. Since this is divided by, we need to multiply by 5. 11 times 5, Kurt, is?
55.
Oh, thank you. There's our answer. And if you want to check it, you plug it back in. 55 divided by 5 is 11. Minus 8 equals 3. All right, Luther's going to help us with the next one. It's the same as all the others. Only difference is the letter's on the right. So we're still going to look at the letter. We're multiplying it by 3, and then we're subtracting 6. So our opposite is to add 6 and then divide by 3. So go ahead and do that and come back and check. Okay, try number 6. Come back and check it. Since it's p divided by 6, make sure you multiply by 6. Times 6 is 36. Don't be fooled. Just because 6 goes into 36, you still have to multiply. All right, there is a quiz online to try, and make sure you keep trying until you get them all right.